If your Metro by T-Mobile SIM card is locked due to incorrect PIN entries, you'll need a PUK code to unlock it. The PUK is an 8-digit code unique to your SIM. You can retrieve your PUK code through the Metro by T-Mobile app, their website, or by contacting customer service at 1-888-8-METRO-1. Be prepared to provide account details to verify your identity. Entering the wrong PUK 10 times will permanently disable your SIM card, requiring a replacement. In 2025, Metro streamlined PUK retrieval, but delays can still occur during peak times. A carrier unlock allows you to use your Metro by T-Mobile phone on other networks. According to FCC regulations, Metro by T-Mobile must unlock your device once your contract or installment plan is complete, typically 60 to 90 days post-activation for prepaid plans. To request an unlock, use the Metro by T-Mobile app or contact customer service. Ensure your device is fully paid off to avoid denial. Note that unlocking without authorization can violate carrier terms and the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Unofficial third-party unlocking services may void your warranty or blacklist your IMEI. Metro's app now includes in-app unlock requests for eligible users.